All right, guys, we've got another package delivery today. This is from the House of Rags. Let's check it out. All right, guys, pretty exciting. Look at the beautiful stuff from the House of Rags. Let's talk about it. First one, Garage Therapy Sigma 2 V3. So it's better than version 1, better than version 2. And this is their newest SiO2 sealant detailer, up to about 9 weeks of protection, it says. And it's supposed to be glossy and slick and everything that I like out of a bottle like this. So very interesting. I can't wait to try it. I've been on this sealant quick detailer thing lately, and like I said, I don't need tons of time worth of protection. I can apply these things weekly or bi-weekly, or I'm sorry, bi-monthly, every 2 weeks, and that's enough. You know what I mean? They're so fast. Spray on, wipe around the car, and go. And everything I've been using that's coming out right now is fantastic. So there's that one. Garage Therapy Rinseless. I know one of the viewers keeps telling me, got to try this one out. So I ordered it for you, and we'll try that out. This one is a polymer surfactant type of formula. It's very concentrated, 1 to 4 gallons, 1 ounce to 4 gallons of water on that. So fantastic. Supposed to have good lubrication, and we're going to put it to the test. Try it out some cars here. All right, the next one we got is Armor Adapt. All right, Armor Detail Supply Adapt. This is their waterless wash, ready to use here. I liked this. This caught my eye because it is not only a waterless wash ready to go, but it has SiO2 in it. So it's going to be slick. It's going to leave it glossy. Should last you, 2 to 4 weeks. And they were selling, I had a big gallon of this in the cart. It was pretty cheap over at the House of Rags. But I said, well, let me just try it first. It's so hard for me to buy little bottles like this. But I said, let me just try it because I know buying the gallons are better. But I like having these smaller bottles too, because I can pour the big gallons into them and they're already all labeled up. So that's the Armor Supply one. Looks pretty good. I want to open it up and put... so that's the waterless one. Well, I'm right here. I got the Amplify. This is their SiO2 detailer. So, this has SiO2 as well, but so, like I said, the other one has SiO2, gloss enhancers, everything. This one has all the same stuff, silica resins, but this one says it lasts up to 2 months. And it should be really, really slick and glossy. But I wanted to see the difference. Do we just need to buy one or the other? Interesting. All right, this one's crazy. I had to order this one. It looks like it says Next Zen ZNR. This is their rinseless wash, 1 to 1,000. So that's like 1 to 8 gallons, basically. Man, I want to see what that is. Now, it tells you, that's pretty stretched out if you want a slicker feel, 1 to 750, and if you're clay lubing or something, clay barring, 1 to 500. It tells you some different dilutions, but 1 to 1,000 probably in your rinseless wash. This is amazing. I had to order it. And on their website, not House of Rags, I didn't notice it, but right now I'm just looking at ZNR, Nixon. A gallon of this is like $78 or $80. So, I mean, that's just at 1 to 1,000. That's got to be the most bang for your buck that I've ever heard of for that price. Crazy, right? Let me know what you think on that. All right, guys, the next one I got is Next Zen ZNR Plus. Now, this, the way I see it, is more like a waterless wash with a slick finish. They got some fancy words: polymer, amino functional polymer, from the cosmetic industry, something like that. But anyway, basically a waterless wash with slickness in it, and it's ready to use, all in one, detail spray and cleaner. So let's try that one out too. I've got one more. All right, and lastly, I got the Katiba, the gloss booster. Very cool. You know, can use it as a maintenance product, as a standalone. It's going to add some gloss protection to your already protected vehicle, or standalone. You know, you can add it by yourself. So very cool. Says this is their flagship product. It should be hydrophobic. All right, guys. Well, very cool. House of Rags. Let me know what you think. You guys tried any of these? Talk to you later. All right, I'm going to put some of these inside there, and I'm going to give them a little sniff test. Katiba, let's start with. Smells like solvent. Next then, ZNR. Bubblicious. Yeah, bubblegum, grape bubblegum. I think just bubblegum flavor. Armor Detail Supply, Amplify. Nice. Fruity. No clue what kind of fruit. Delicious. Adapt, the waterless wash. More of a mellow floral scent. Not nearly as strong as the Amplify. Mellow and pleasant. I don't know, like a light rose petal, some kind of, I don't want to say that, light soapy, but a soft floral soap. Very nice, very clean smelling. Garage Therapy 2 Stigma V3. Doesn't have those good scents that the fruits and florals smell like. It doesn't have the Katiba solvent smell. It has more of a nail polish remover on the side of that type of smell. Probably my least favorite. All right, guys. There you go.